price reduced from 20 million right now for you at 17.9 million Thai baht, fully furnished. And the location is in Toong-klom Tanman Road, about 4 minutes to the top 2 schools around here, Tara Pattana International School and Phoenix Vidya. 959.2 square meter, more than half right everyone of the land side of this newly renovated pool villa. And only about 12 minutes to Jomtien Beach. Also within 3 minutes to Chak Nok Reservoir and the public park around that you can enjoy the environment around here. The landscape of this village, because of in the hill and also close to the Chak Nok Reservoir lake, and only 18 houses in this private village, feel like very peaceful to live here. If you like this topic already, let's tour the house together. Sawadee right now, welcome to tour inside of this gorgeous, elegant pool villa. In this house, offering at 356 square meter, comes with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. In the backyard, also have 1 maid room, which you can turn to be the storage, and 1 more toilet behind. From this stunning lobby lounge area, we will walk to connect to the dining table area. In this plenty space of the dining table, you can turn to be more than 6 seats, maybe up to 12 seats, which you will have the beautiful swimming pool view and the garden. Plus, the behind you is connected to the kitchen. Next to the dining table, they also have the step to feel like separate from the dining table and the kitchen area here. Totally built in, brand new built in, and you can feel your own equipment, electrical appliance here. Perfect. And you cooking with the view garden and the view of the swimming pool. Back to the main living area. Left and right is the bedrooms. Let's tour together. Very rare to find the wooden floor house, high ceiling, and also in this built-in, feel like the room is wider and the garden view here, and king size of mattress of the bed. I would like to stop you guys here to check the details, because his and her basin and everything here, rain shower, toilet, and the curtain, the wallpaper in the toilet, all brand new, and the natural light from outside, which is important here. This is the 3rd bedroom of the house, and what I like is all wallpaper and well built-in decoration of the bed and the wardrobe in over here. You will hardly to see that, oh, this is the wardrobe. This is what I like, and it gives you plenty of space in the bedroom. This is the master bedroom of the house. I like already the wallpaper golden color matched with the wooden floor and decoration. Also the king size bed, pool view, garden view, pool access. Biggest space in this bedroom, also your en-suite bathroom. Everything perfect, the price is perfect, location is perfect. Don't forget to put like and subscribe our YouTube channel Keystone Property, and our team are waiting for your call and contact for visit this house together.